Hello friend, in this video I will show how to install CasaOS on the home service I create for $100 in another video. Before I go to the installation, let's check what is CasaOS. CasaOS is an application run on top of Debian that install Docker, and in this application you're going to have a browser access and you can install some applications so easy and with low resource. I'm going to show how much resource you go to install and how much you go to use it for some application. CasaOS website, and let me show the CasaOS when install. When install the CasaOS, you can access in the browser with the IP and log. I'm going to put in my username, now my password. When you log, you're going to have this browser interface. So you have the Apple Store where you can just one simple click, you can install anything you see in here for the app. You can use another option is the files, and that's the place you can share files for another computers in your network, local network. You can put some files you want to share. So I'm going to share this data media here. And that's, I have some, so I'm going to add these two files in here. One is a video, and that's a video everybody use this video for some tests. And 2 gigabytes file. I'm going to show how that's go too fast to upload that. And with the jellyfin, you just let me access my jellyfin. Okay, access to the jellyfin. I have my video here, and I can play this video there. You can see everybody have the video. You can see so fast. Go back, and you can see here like how they run this application. And don't remember, it's $100 home server creates. So let me pause this. Let's go to the Proxmox to start this project. Okay, in the Proxmox, I go to put in my username, it's root, and my password. Okay, I have here. And let's start create a VM. Let's create a VM, and I put the name in CasaOS for this guy in here. Next, let's go to local, and let's put in the Ubuntu. That will be the Ubuntu ISO for the installation. You can keep the Linux in here, the kernel in here. Let's go to system. Don't forget to enable this agent in here, because if you're not, when you install the package, that's not going to work, and you don't know what is the IP for our server. So next one, go to the disk. I'm going to put 100 gigabytes in here. And the CPU, I go to use my 4 cores I have in this computer. And let me go down, and I go choose the host. So you go choose the same process you have in the host. The next memory, I go to put it 4 gigabytes, but I update my memory for this computer because I have just 4 gigabytes before, and now I have 8. But I just spent $50 to buy the new set for memory, and it will be great because now I have a Windows machine. I have a lot of machines running here, but you can keep like the 4 gigabytes if you don't have more machines than that. And the next ones, go to the network and keep it simple the way they have in here. Next, and finish. Okay, let's start our machine. Let's go to the console. Enter. Let's go to install the Ubuntu. Let's select the language, it will be English. Don't do the updates right now. The layout for the keyboard, keep the default. Keep the default for Ubuntu server. You're going to have this IP, that's the dynamic IP. You're going to change for static IP, but for now, you'll be the dynamic IP will be 200 and continue here. You go to check the mirrors for, let's keep the default for our disk utilization, 100 gigabytes. Then done. Keep the selection, but they give us in here. Don't need to change anything. Continue. So now I put my name, Thiago. The user will be CasaOS 200. My username and the password for this machine. Okay. Done. Let's keep the Pro for now. Let's install the OpenSSH so you can have connection on the terminal on this server. It's done and done. Let's wait for the installation is finished here. Okay, the installation is done. So let's go to reboot the machine. Just press enter here. and they go to restart the server for us. Okay, they start. Okay, let's open my terminal in here, and let's connect to this machine. So SSH dos Santos 192.168.1.200. So yes, put in my password. Okay, I'm in the machine now. So sudo su my password again. Let's go to change the dynamic IP for static IP so they don't change the IP when you restart the machine. So cd etc net plan. So ls, let's create a backup for the file we have. So cp 50 init, the name again. So then you'll be backup. So let's change the file with vi to start insert information. So let's comment all the information I have in here. Let's keep this line in here. That's important for us because that's the network adapter you're using in this machine. So don't worry, all these comments and this information will be in my blog post in the description. Let's delete this 200, close this file, and if I don't do anything wrong when try to match, then apply. I don't go to lose my connection. Okay, you get so IPA, and you can see you have the IP here. So next step, let's do the update and upgrade in this machine. So apt update and apt upgrade. So let's upgrade this file. Okay, now go to upgrade machine. Okay, we finished the upgrade, and let's go to Proxmox. And if you see in here, they don't show the IP for the machine. So let's fix that. Let's go back to the terminal in here. Okay, let's start this package. Okay, we install the package. So reboot now. So let's restart the machine. And if you go back in here, you go to restart the machine. So it's done. And you go to summary, and you can see now we have the IP, and this IP is static now, and they don't go to change. So we now we'll save. So let's go back to the terminal. Okay, let's connect again in the machine. Now let's run the command to install CasaOS. Let's run this command, and then go to install CasaOS first. So when it's done, I will back and show you guys. Okay, CasaOS is installed. So let's go to the access for our CasaOS. Will be the IP for this machine. And let's go to the browser. HTTP, no HTTPS, just HTTP for now. 192.165.1.200. And you're going to have this screen. So we'll go. You need to create a user. So let me create my user. Put in my password. And confirm my password. And create. So you have CasaOS installed on our machine. So let's go to the files. And when you see, we have a file system here. And if you go in here, let's share the media. You have this folder media here, and let's upload the two files in here. And you're going to see how fast that is. So go here, download. Let's put this file, that's the video I showed for you guys. So look how fast it's done. And let's put the 2 gigabytes file here too. Okay. Look, this is the 2 gigabytes. I used just $100 to build this machine. Okay, the 2 gigabytes file is in here now. And you see, it takes less than 2 minutes to upload this file. So let's go back to the CasaOS. Let's go to App Store now. Let's install Jellyfin. It's just one click. You go to install Jellyfin. They go to install Jellyfin for us. And remember, like you put like the video in the media. So they go to use this media when you have the TV shows, movies to create the R library. Okay, when they install the Jellyfin, go back to the Proxmox. I have a Windows machine here. And let's create the share folder in this Windows machine. Okay, as access my Windows machine. That's a brand new Windows machine in my Proxmox. Let's open here networks. Let's turn on and let's map the network. So let's put here the IP for our server. Browse. So media and okay, finish. So you see we have here our folders, movie, music, and TV show. If you go to movies, you have the movie. You go to using the Jellyfin, and you have the 2 GB file here. Let's copy and paste. You go to create a new one for us, and you see like how fast. It's $100 setup, but it's pretty good for what you have right now. So you can see you can put like some files in here, share, and you can share this with anybody in your network. Just put the IP in here, and you can do that for Mac too. And you just need to map the folder, and you can use that. If you go back to CasaOS, you have our Jellyfin is up and running. Let's open. It'll be English. Let's create the username again. My password here, and the media, so content, move, and let's select the folder, media, move. Okay, that's the folder we have there. Don't save. Next, and finish. So let's log in now. I'm in my machine now. I'm in my Jellyfin now. If you click the moves, let's click the move, and the move will go start. Put the email, and it's work pretty good for the machine you have in the back for our server. Looks good. So we have a Jellyfin up and running. So Jellyfin, you can give this IP with this port here for anybody in your home. They can have the access for the Jellyfin here. And for the files, you just can use like the share folder. That's the IP. You just put in this IP, and they go to show the media folder. So that's ones we share. And you see you have the 2 files, the ones you just create in the Windows machine you have in the Proxmox. That's it. That's the easy way to install CasaOS, Jellyfin, and share folders with CasaOS. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you need any help. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.